So apparently, I put myself in trouble. I made this head-smashing deal where I said, if you use my sound, I'll comment on your video. I thought maybe 10 people would use it, maybe 50. But nope, y'all turned my life into a living hell. The sound blew up, and suddenly over 1,000 shorts were made overnight. I was sitting there speed-running comments like it was an Olympic sport. My thumbs were hurting, my phone was overheating. Even my Wi-Fi was tapping out like, bro, please, I haven't slept in days. But the real pain? The Robux. The Robux. I told you guys I'd reward some of you for using the sound. And you did not hold back. I was giving out 10,000 here, 10,000 there, 10,000 to someone who didn't even say thank you. By the end of the night, I had basically donated almost 1 million Robux, like I accidentally became Mr. Beast. But broke. I didn't even realize I was broke until I checked my balance. So, since my wallet is already crying and my thumbs are already destroyed, I'm doing it one last time. If you subscribe and use this sound, I'll comment on your video again. This is your last chance.